This is my 2015 Mustang V6 3.7. I've done some minor mods to it. I have the Flowmaster Outlaw Series axle back exhaust system on it, which is supposedly the lightest, one of the loudest systems made for it. Blacked out my emblems, as you can see, front and back. I have bought a throttle body spacer by SR Performance for it. I'm going to let you listen to what the exhaust sounds like.